Right, these are the top 10 trades of the auto framer, starting with Google at 7.5 to 1. Great big sell off, tiny risk box, 7.5 to 1 to the retest to the 10-day high. Compound critical state if it fails below the 10-day low. It's an auto short down to the 30-day low. You're going to see that as a standard pattern on these. This is Mexico, same thing. Brazil has bottomed out nicely. Today was actually a positive start, which failed, but it was micro up. So there is some reason to trust in a 1, 2, 3 entry at 34 and a quarter, and a favorable reward to risk ratio back to the 30-day SMA and the 10-day high. The triple Dow, same pattern as the Dow itself, which is the best of the U.S. indexes at 4 to 1. Compound critical state ready to go in either direction. If this fails, then it is pretty fast coming down to the SMA 30. Volatility has declined to an extraordinary extent. That's a volatility spike waiting to happen. Australia is pulled back on general weakness in commodities, but this would be a natural place for it to find support. So we'll see how that breaks in either direction. Finishing up with United Health, also a harsh sell-off, closed at a 30-day low and is ready to collapse further. You can see that that has a long way to go back to the previous support. Treasuries, same thing, also suffering and continuing to slide lower. We set this one up as a short from here. When it breaks below those red lines, those are short positions, and that's continuing to collapse, and that's going to drive interest rates up. So keep your risk measured and your powder dry. Consider the max pain range compression for your short-term swing trading 1 day at a time needs. Ken at Tortoise Capital, .net, and owlgrouptrading.com.